This is Zichru Daf Simanim Gemara Sanhedrin Daf Lamed Hey, and Lamed Hey, as you spell it out, is La, and it's going to be a choir singing La La La. So the choir, a beautiful choir. This is Erev Shabbos, and who's conducting this choir? Well, it's a judge. You know why? Because Bezdin is closed on Erev Shabbos because Dini Nefashais cannot be tried on Erev Shabbos. Why? Because of the special din of Halonas din. You're going to have to wait overnight if there is a conviction. So there's no Bezdin on Friday. So what does the Dayan do? He sits with the children and he conducts a choir. And the choir is singing a unique song. It's Erev Shabbos, so the songs are going to be about Shabbos. And they're singing why the Meis Mitzvah, as you see lying on the floor, his kid is acting out, is not a Doicha Shabbos. Meis Mitzvah, Mises Bezin are not Doicha Shabbos. And as well, there's another child acting out that he's behind bars. Why? Because he's waiting for his unfortunate execution. That Misas Bezdin is not on Shabbos. So we have Daf Lamed Hey, La La La, we're singing on Erev Shabbos because we have a wonderful Dayan choir master, as he can try cases in Erev Shabbos due to the rule that Din Nefashos you need to stay overnight. The song that they're singing is as this boy acts out being a Meis Mitzvah. Why Meis Mitzvah is not Teicha Shabbos? As the choir's an Erev Shabbos, it makes sense. And the boy behind bars, why we don't kill someone on Shabbos? So point number one is that Bezdin was closed as the judge on Daf Lamed Hey was conducting that La 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 choir. Why? Because Din Nefashos cannot be had on Erev Shabbos because of the requirement of Halonas Din. Says the Mishnah, the reason is you have to wait overnight. Says the Gemara, therefore you can't do it Erev Shabbos, Erev Yantiv. Why? If you give a verdict on Friday, then they might decide to convict. The Balam Evan Halonas Din. You're not allowed to wait. They can activate and execute him on Shabbos. Why? Because the execution is not Teicha Shabbos, as we're going to explain. Not on Motzei Shabbos, because only by day. On Sunday, you're pushing off the din. So therefore, you cannot judge them on Friday and wait, maybe just give the psak din on Sunday. They might forget. And even though they're recording Nihid Pumekas and they write down the words Liba de Inchi, and the Dayanim are not going to forget their full reasons. So Dini Nefasha is the best din is closed for Dini Nefashas on Friday because of the din of Halonas Din. The Dayan is conducting the choir, the La 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 choir on Daf Lamed Hey in Sanhedrin. And they're singing why a Meis Mitzvah is not Teicha Shabbos, even though the Kal V'chaimer would seem to say, asks Rish Lakish to Rav Yechanan, Kal V'chaimer Tekvuras Meis Mitzvah Teicha Shabbos be Kal V'chaimer Avoida. The Karbanos in the Beis Hamikdash is Teicha Shabbos. Yeah, burying a Meis Mitzvah overrides the Avoida. Says the Gemara, L'Achaisei teaches even a Kohen Gadol and Nazir become tummy for a Meis Mitzvah. So Shabbos, which is pushed away for the Avodah, should certainly be pushed away for the Meis Mitzvah, asks Rish Lakish. Rav Yechanan responds, Ritzicha Teichiach, that just like Ritzicha, Bezdin carrying out an execution is Teicha Avodah, and yet it is not Teicha Shabbos, so too by Meis Mitzvah. And point number three, the song of the boy that acts out, he's behind bars waiting for his execution, Misas Bezdin, is not overriding Shabbos. Again, we have a Kal V'chaimer that should say it does. Avodah override Shabbos, and it's overridden by Ritzicha. Certainly, it should override Shabbos. A price of Yishma Lo Suvaru Eish Moish Voice, which teaches us even outside of Eretz Yisrael. But since Shabbos is Chayvas HaGof, why do you have to write Moish Voice? Says that the Gemara mitzvah, if it would apply on Shabbos, it would only be other machlos. Lo Svarish V'chomosh V'yseichem. There's no Misas Bezdin on Shabbos. Daf Lamed Hey, the kid singing La La La, the choir master who's a Heilig Dayan. As the Bezdin is closed in Erev Shabbos, the Din Nefashos case is because of the Din of Halonas Din. The child acting out a Meis Mitzvah, Misas Bezdin are not Teicha Shabbos, even though the Kal V'chaimer would seem to indicate they would. And the child acting out, being behind bars, waiting for his execution, which is not on Shabbos as well. As far as Daf Lamed Hey in Sanhedrin.